What about a quote that's changed the direction of your life? A pivot quote.
Pivot quote that's changed the direction of my life. I think the quote of you can, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go with others. I'm not even sure who said that.
Yeah,
you know who said that?
I don't, but
it's so true.
Abe Lincoln probably said
it. Probably.
Mark
it's,
Cuban.
it's so true though. It's
Mark
like
Cuban, yeah.
it's like you can go so fast alone, but it's not the way that you're really going to be able to stay in the game long term. Yeah. And I think you've done such a great job at that and building this whole thing that you've built here. You're great at getting people together, creating synergy, and I think that's why you've been so successful. That initiative. So
thanks.
Yeah,
man. Awesome.
Well, we're going to look at the next segment, which is the past, present, future. So the first thing that I want to ask you is if you could go back to 20, 21-year-old you, and you're just getting into the appraisal game, what is something that you would tell that 20, 21-year-old Josiah?
I would tell my younger self that wealth is not what you think it is. I believe wealth is being grateful and thankful for what you have. So I believe you can be wealthy with no money.
Yeah.
And I don't think I would have been able to know that without having millions of dollars and knowing that it doesn't change you at all. It's just, you just have more money.
Yeah.
Right. You almost got more stress and responsibility when you have more money. It's nice because you can pay bills. You're not as worried about that side of things. But I truly think that the game changer in life is just being thankful and grateful for what you have in front of you. Like if you ask someone, how much money they'd be willing to pay to save the life of their kid or their wife or something, they'd probably just say everything. Well, you don't have to have any money to be thankful for your family, right? And like just sitting on the patio last night, watching the sun go down, watching the whales come up.
Yeah.
Just being grateful and thankful for getting to be a part of that. Like that's how much is that worth? Like you can't really say how much it's worth, right? So I think true wealth is just being thankful.
There's a Instagram account I just started following, and I'm probably gonna butcher it because I have a bunch of periods in it, but it's like today I'm grateful for. It's like today dot I'm dot whatever. And every day this guy, just kind of like this just average looking dude, he's just like, today I'm thankful for hills and mountains.
Yeah.
I mean the fact that we can go walk up a hill and then see there like every day. It's like today I'm thankful for screens on windows because I can enjoy life and be outside like somewhat, but not have bugs eating me. And I'm like, that's a cool account. Just every day one thing.
Yeah.